The warning from the National Weather Service will follow shortly. The National Weather Service from Fresno has issued a fake UTTP member warning for Fresno, Kern, Kings, Madera, Mariposa, Merced, Tulare, Stanislaus, San Joaquin, and Sacramento until 7:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated fake UTTP members capable of producing damaging winds at excess of 90 miles per hour. This dangerous storm was located near Merced or Madera and moving south at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fresno, Tulare, Merced, Kern, Madera, and Stanislaus. Precautionary preparedness actions. The safest place to be doing fake UTTP members is in a basement. If no basement is available, seek shelter in the bathroom, closet, or the floor and cover your head with your hands. Report severe weather damage to the National Weather Service by Facebook or Twitter.